Are you an elite athlete?
Looking to take your game to the next level? Setting goals is crucial to your success. Here's how to set your goals as an elite athlete for the next 5 years. First, establish your long-term goal. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Visualize your ultimate achievement and set this as your target. Next, break down your long-term goal into smaller, achievable milestones. These short-term goals will keep you focused and motivated along the way. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you stay on track and hold yourself accountable. Remember to regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. As you progress, you may need to tweak your plan to stay aligned with your ultimate objective. Lastly, stay committed and disciplined in your pursuit of greatness. Consistent hard work and dedication will lead you to success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on reaching your full athletic potential.